Hey there, and welcome. Today, we're going on a deep dive into kidney health and exploring easy ways to cleanse your kidneys to keep them functioning optimally. Let's start with the basics. Our kidneys, these bean-shaped organs located on either side of our spine, play a crucial role in our body's overall health. They are the ultimate filtration system, removing waste, toxins, and excess water from our blood and maintaining the delicate balance of electrolytes and hormones. When our kidneys are functioning properly, our bodies thrive. But when toxins build up, it can lead to a slew of health issues, including fatigue, headaches, and even kidney stones. That's where kidney cleanses come in. They help flush out these harmful substances, promoting better overall health and well-being. Now, let's dive into the practical side of things. Here are 8 foods to cleanse your kidneys naturally. Number 1. Apple cider vinegar. Its antioxidants and citric acid content make it a powerful kidney cleansing agent. Number 2. Kidney beans. Resembling kidneys in shape, these beans pack a punch in removing toxins and boosting urinary tract function. Number 3. Lemon juice. Its high acidity levels prevent kidney stone formation and flush out toxins. Number 4. Watermelon. A mild diuretic, watermelon hydrates and cleanses the kidneys while providing essential nutrients. Number 5. Pomegranate. Rich in potassium, pomegranate juice and seeds help dissolve kidney stones and flush out toxins. Number 6. Basil. A natural diuretic, basil removes kidney stones, lowers uric acid levels, and improves kidney function. Number 7. Dates. Soaked in water overnight, dates help dissolve and flush out kidney stones, thanks to their fiber and magnesium content. Number 8. Dandelion. Dandelion tea acts as a kidney tonic, boosting bile production and minimizing waste reaching the kidneys. In addition to these cleanses, here are some general tips for maintaining healthy kidneys. 1. Hydrate. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to support kidney function. 2. Eat a balanced diet. Focus on consuming fruits, vegetables, and whole grains that support kidney health. 3. Limit processed foods. Processed foods often contain high levels of sodium and other substances that can strain the kidneys. 4. Maintain a healthy weight. Excess weight can put added pressure on the kidneys. 5. Avoid smoking and excessive alcohol consumption. These habits can damage kidney function over time. By incorporating these easy and effective tips into your routine, you can give your kidneys the support they need to function optimally. Remember, a healthy kidney means a healthier you. If you have any concerns about kidney health or experience persistent symptoms, always consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Hope you enjoy the video. Subscribe for more educational videos like this. Thank you for watching.